Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of molecular mass. So in the last video we discussed about the atomic mass and the molecular mass and the difference between both. Also we calculated the molecular mass for elements like hydrogen, water, oxygen and nitrogen. In this video we'll cover the rest of the examples for the calculation of molecular mass. Now if we want to calculate the molecular mass of say CO2. This is carbon dioxide. So carbon has an atomic mass 12 plus oxygen has an atomic mass 16. So 12 plus 32 and this will be equal to 44 U. Talking about another example, 44 U. Another example, say nitrogen dioxide NO2. Nitrogen has an atomic mass 14, oxygen has again 16. This will be equals to 14 plus 32, 46. Say another element HCl. This is hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride. So hydrogen has atomic number 1 and chlorine has 35.5. So this will be equals to 36.5. Another example can be very common acid, sulfuric acid. This is used in car batteries, as you know. So sulfuric acid has two hydrogen atoms, so 2 into 1 plus sulfur has an atomic mass 32 plus oxygen again 16 into 4. So this is 2 plus 32 plus 64. This is equal to 98. Okay, so atomic mass this is 98. Now you might have heard about a basic gas ammonia. This is ammonia NH3. Don't get confused between ammonia and ammonium ion. Ammonium ion is NH4 plus and ammonia is NH3. So NH3 nitrogen has an atomic mass 14 and hydrogen again 1, 3 into 1, this will be equal to 17 U. Now till now we have studied the molecular masses of some basic elements like gases or water or say acids or but now let us consider some complex molecules. Suppose say glucose. Glucose is C6H12O6. Carbon has an atomic mass 12 into 6 plus hydrogen has 1 into 12 plus oxygen has 16 into 6. Remember to follow the bond mass rule. So 12 6 are 72 plus 12 plus 96. Correct? This is 10, 1, this is 180. So molecular mass of glucose is 180. Then another common molecule that you know is urea. Urea is used in fertilizers, right? So urea has a formula NH2CONH2. Again nitrogen atomic number 14. Atomic mass 14. Hydrogen 1 into 2 plus carbon is 12, oxygen 16 plus again nitrogen 14 plus 1 into 2. So this is equal to 14 plus 2 plus 12 plus 16 plus 14 plus 2. And the sum is equal to 60 U. Okay, so now you consider another molecules of acetic acid. So acetic acid is the acid that is used in vinegar, right? Acetic acid CH3COH. Now carbon is 12, hydrogen 3 into 1 plus 12 plus 16 plus 16 plus 1. This will be equal to 60. Another common element is sodium hydroxide or caustic soda. Na has an atomic mass 23, and oxygen has 16, and hydrogen has 1. This is equal to 40 U. Another compound is sodium chloride, NaCl. Also known as common salt. 23 plus 35.5. This is equal to 58.5 U. Another important acid is oxalic acid. This is COOH. COOH can also be written as C2H2O4. This is 2 into 12 plus 2 into 1 plus 16 into 4 is equal to 24 plus 2 plus 64 equal to 90 U. So this is the end of the topic molecular mass. Rest all elements you can calculate by knowing the basic atomic mass of all the elements. Thank you.